Hey there, thanks for joining me today. In this video, I will go over how I list items for sale on Facebook Marketplace, desktop version. Anyone with a Facebook account can sell on the Marketplace platform. Finding the area to sell is simple. These icons up top are labeled. The one that looks like a house is your home feed. The icon with 2 people in it is your friends list. The play button one is to watch videos. The other icon, similar to the house one, is the Marketplace. And finally, the one with a bunch of people in a circle is the groups you are in. So, to get started, you have to be logged in to your personal Facebook account. Note, as of the end of January 2023, Facebook pages will not be allowed to post on Marketplace. Once you click on the Marketplace icon, you will be directed to this page. You can see your current listings or create a listing from here. Listing types are as follows: an item, a vehicle, or real estate. Today we are going to list an item for sale. I click the item box, and it brings me to this page. From here on out, it's pretty smooth sailing to list an item. The area on the top left is for your photos and video. I am allowed up to 10 photos and 1 video for this listing. What I like most about this platform is the real-time preview of the listing I am building. When you add or remove something, it updates in real time in the preview screen for you to see how it will look. Okay, here, I am going to add photos to the listing. One area I don't like of the platform is that there isn't any photo editing capabilities. That's why you see a ton of photos in listings with fingers blocking license plates. You can pre-edit photos on your computer and then upload. I will add a video to a playlist at the end of this one to show you how. However, you can move the photos to any order you want them to appear. To move a photo, simply click and drag to desired position. This is an important step. If you search, you will see several t-shirt listings showing the plain back first, instead of the graphic print on front. Next, I go down to the box that is labeled Title. Notice how the preview screen updates as I type. So, I will title this listing Midlife Crisis Vehicle. Now to finish, just keep going down and filling in the boxes. I'll put 50 grand for a price on this, just as an example. Now, I'm going to pick a category. I will have an in-depth video on titles and categories in the playlist at the end of this video. I picked toys as this is a tutorial. If I was really listing this car, I would pick Vehicles for Sale tab at the beginning. It's important to choose the correct category for the item you are listing, for it to be seen. My chances of selling this car in the toy section is pretty low, as Facebook's algorithm is showing my car to toy buyers, not car buyers. For example, if you list a doll in appliances, your doll wouldn't really show up in the doll buyer's feed. There is always exceptions. You could get lucky and a buyer sees the photos and purchases your item, but having it in the correct category increases your chances of the item being seen by the correct group potential buyers. The next box is the condition box. The choices for this listing is new, used, like new, used, good, and used, fair. Word of caution here: careful how you list the condition on your item. All humans see and smell differently. I listed a pair of coral pants once, sold them, and the customer said they were peach. I always list my condition under what I think they are, unless they are new with tags. Doing this kind of helps when the customer gets the item in better condition than they thought they were buying. This also helps with reviews. The listing offers a date range, so I'll pick this. Color, I'll pick brown. Now it's time for the description. The more you know and write down what you know about the item, the less frustrating the messages you receive will be. My description here is horrible. I'll get a ton of messages asking questions I could have answered in the description, which will take up a lot of my time. I didn't put what size engine or tire size, which should have been the bare minimum. I'll add a video to the end of this video on descriptions. This box here that says SKU is only visible to the seller. I use it for inventory purposes. Say you were doing a closet clear out or selling a bunch of your childhood toys. If you have 20 or so listings, you can add the location of the items in the SKU box. For example, drawer 3 or box 1 and so on. Next are these toggle buttons. First is the boost button. This is a paid feature, and we will skip over for this video. This toggle lets you hide your listings from your friends. If they stumble across it while scrolling the marketplace, they can see it, but it will not show up on their feed. When the toggle button is active, it is blue. When it is grayed out, it is not active. I will click the next button. Now Facebook puts us on the delivery method page. I am set to local pickup. There is an option for public meetup. There is an option for door pickup, and one for door drop-off. No shipping option available on this listing. I will check all 3 of the boxes for the delivery method. Just pick the ones you would be comfortable with when you list. I will click next and it brings me to the final page. Facebook will recommend adding your listing to groups you are in and will suggest new ones for you to join. All I have to do now is hit publish, and my item for sale will go live on Facebook Marketplace. I am going to hit save as draft, so I can list it on the weekend. Hey, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this type of content, I made a playlist here for you to watch. Enjoy.